is a winter storm warning for the following counties in Ohio: Butler, Clinton, and Warren. Winter storm warning in effect from 1 p.m. Saturday to 7 a.m. Sunday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 3 and 5 inches. Where? Portions of southeast Indiana, northern Kentucky, and central, south central, and southwest Ohio. When? From 1 p.m. Saturday to 7 a.m. Sunday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. In Indiana, visit 511in.org or call 1-800-261-7623 for the latest road information. In Kentucky, visit goky.ky.gov for the latest road information. In Ohio, visit ogo.com for the latest road information.